Hello, my Indian Hills Eagles. This is Miss Ginder, and this is going to be a presentation on cyberbullying, something that many of us, I'm sure, have heard before, but we're going to go a little more in depth on what exactly it is, some statistics about it. I'm going to give you examples of cyberbullying, and then we're going to end it with some tips for how you can handle situations when faced with cyberbullying. So, first of all, what exactly is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is bullying that takes place over digital devices, so things like your cell phone, computers, tablets, or Chromebooks, anything where you are on a device of some sort. So a few examples of cyberbullying. It could be leaving a mean comment on someone's photo, whether it's about how they look or something in the photo or what they're wearing, but leaving a mean comment is considered cyberbullying. Spreading a rumor about someone online would be considered cyberbullying. If you take a screenshot of a photo or something someone posts and send it in a group chat for you all to laugh at that person or make fun of them, that is an example of cyberbullying. Trolling, I know that's a big word that you guys use, but trolling someone while playing a video game, making fun of them, kind of teasing them in that sense. And then even as severe as threatening someone online, saying, if you don't do this, I'll do this to you, or I'll post this about you, or things like that, but threatening someone is considered cyberbullying. And in this photo, it shows you how sad it is and how sad you would feel for people to make these rude remarks to you online. So a few facts about cyberbullying. The most common type is mean comments, someone leaving a mean comment on your picture or on your video. But 22.5% of students who were surveyed said that that's usually how they get cyberbullied, by someone leaving a mean comment. 35% of students have sent a screenshot of someone's status or photo to laugh at them. 61% of teens who report being bullied say that the reason they were bullied was because of their appearance or how they look, and whether it be what they're wearing or their hair or their size, their weight. But that's a big common one that people often, unfortunately, pick out. 7 in 10 young people experience cyberbullying before they hit the age of 18. So really sad, but there's obviously more than 10 of you here, but if I had a group of 10, 7 of them will probably experience cyberbullying before they head off to college. And 64% of victims who receive an aggressive instant message say that they know the person who is saying it. So often with cyberbullying, these people, you know them, they go to your school, they may go to your camp or your sport activity, and they wouldn't say these things to you in person, but once they're in front of a screen, or they're kind of hidden behind the screen, they feel really tough, and so they say these mean comments that they wouldn't say to you in person. So, some tips for handling cyberbullying. First, report it to the school, especially if the cyberbully attends your schools. That way, teachers, administration, counselors can get involved and have a chat with that child. Collect evidence. So again, you're on a device, so you can screenshot it or print it off or do something to have that evidence. So when you do report it, you can let the adult know, hey, this is what they said, this is what they did. The third one, report to the site or the app or the game, whatever the cyberbullying, wherever it's taking place, you should be able to report it to that actual website or whatever it is that you're using. So for example, on TikTok, there are report buttons that you can click, and it usually asks why you want to report the video, and cyberbullying will be an option there. Number 4, talk to a trusted adult, whether that's myself, a parent, an older sibling, a counselor, anyone who is an adult that you trust. Go ahead and chat with them about it, and they'll be able to help you out with the situation. And number 5, demonstrate that you care. Cyberbullying is hard. I know that when I was a kid, I had experienced it, and it definitely would help to have a friend there who just cares and is on your side. So really be sure to let your friends know that you care about them if you know they're being cyberbullied. A few more tips. Work together. You know what? There is no need to be so mean and have such a mean place in this world. So really try and work together and be a team and build people up rather than pushing them down. Number 7, tell them to stop. This one is definitely easier said than done, but it is good to stand up to them and let them know, hey, either if they're doing it to you, I don't like how you're making me feel, or if you're seeing them do it to other people, let them know that it's not cool and you're not going to put up with it. Number 8, don't encourage it. If someone sends a screenshot in a group chat, and just don't encourage it. Either don't respond or, again, tell them to stop. Hey, that's not very cool. We shouldn't be making fun of them. Number 9, stay safe. So it is the internet, and that is a big, big place. So make sure that you're staying safe out there and you're not getting yourself into too much trouble. And then number 10, don't give up. Just like when we face bullies in real life. Don't give up. Stick up for yourself. Stick up for other people. Stand up to them. And you'll be able to get those cyberbullies in their place. All right, Eagles, thank you so much. Please let me know if you have any questions at all.